and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. Hands or moisturize, they ain't ashy today. Anyways, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming an AliExpress haul, and I'm going to be showing you guys gym wear. As you guys know, Gymshark is this really popular activewear line, but they could be a little bit pricey, okay? And I noticed that AliExpress has a lot of the things that you can find on Gymshark for a fraction of the price, just minus the logo. So I decided to go ahead and get some more stuff and see if it really is a dupe. I have all of this stuff sitting here. I'm gonna try it on. I have not tried any of it on since I got it in the mail pretty much. So yeah, before we even get started, let me just give you guys the information, because people always ask me this in the comments. With AliExpress, it usually takes me about 3 weeks to a month to receive what I ordered. Some of this stuff took a little bit longer. Like it was more so because of the store that I ordered from. One of the stores that I ordered from was called Napoleon. That is the main one that everyone kind of knows here on YouTube that does like really good dupes of Gymshark. But I also ordered from different vendors. Like always, I will have everything linked down below that I showed you in the video in order, so it's easy for you guys to kind of shop that if you want it. So yeah, it took 3 weeks to a month for majority of, if not all of this stuff, and in general with AliExpress. Unless you buying here, you finna be waiting a long time, okay? For some reason, bundles, oh, they ship your stuff out fast for you. Anything else, you just have to wait. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And yes, I have a broken nail. They will be getting fixed soon. So let's get started. Okay, so this right here is the Gymshark. This is their Ultra Vital Seamless. Yeah, this one. So I found myself a dupe of this on AliExpress, and I have them right here. I'm gonna try it on, obviously, but like feeling the quality, I would think they were from the same place. Like they literally feel the same. The only difference, like literally the only difference is that you have a tag right here and you have the Gymshark logo right here. Besides that, there is not really much of a difference. And I will have the prices of each of these items that I'm showing you guys on the screen for you guys. So let's go ahead and try this on. So I got, oh, and you guys, I get everything in a size large. There were some things that I got in a medium, but I'm gonna talk about that when I get to those products. Okay, no. Okay, got some lipstick on here, so even after this haul, I can't hang this up. I have to put it in the washer to get washed. You guys, so usually I wear high-rise. These tights that I have on are just like lounging at home tights, so they're not really high-rise, like I'm trying to hike them up. But yeah, it literally fits just like the Gymshark one. It's nicely compressed like it, which I love. This is a size large, so you can do true to size, because it's gonna be pretty compressed, which I love. You're not freaking, everything's just, you know, jumping around. Obviously you would wear a more secure sports bra than the one that I have on, but I like it. And then this is the back. So it has the circular cutouts at the back. And I also have this in hot pink from Gymshark. This is their red one. It looks like a pink red. So moving on, I'm gonna try out this right here. This combo set, or this matching set. This is from the store Napoleon. This is the only thing that I got from Napoleon. Everything else is kind of like a dupe for Gymshark for Gymshark's Vital Seamless. And the only reason why I did not order from this store was because all of their Vital Seamless is sold out in a size large, and it's been like that for months. Since I uploaded that Gymshark video, it's been sold out since then, and they haven't restocked it. So that's why I even had to try out other vendors to see. But yeah, this is their Camo Set, and I got it in the green. If this fits the way I'm hoping it fits, I will more than likely go back for the other colors. And they do have all the colors, even the new ones that Gymshark just came out with. But I wanted the green, so I'm about to try that on for you guys, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the Camel Seamless, and I got the top in a medium, or the bra in a medium, and the bottoms in a large. Let me just say, I feel like I could have, if I would have wanted them even more compressed, I could have sized down to a small. So you can size down in this if you like more compression on your top area. Oh snap, is that boob hanging out? Excusez-moi. It's a little bit more cleavage than I would like for like my sports bras. I know some people like this. Usually I kind of like all of this to be covered, and I'm okay with this showing. So yeah, it's a little revealing. And then these are the bottoms, which I'm gonna have to lower you guys down. So these are the bottoms. They go all the way down to my legs, which are actually, whatever. They go all the way down. It does have the little ruche thing that has become really popular, little booty ruche. I don't think mine is as, it's not as like prominent. Like some people's looks like really like ruche. Mine kind of looks weird and stretched out. Let me see if it's squat proof. I don't see anything. I feel like it's good. It has nice compression right here. So I like that. And yeah, so I personally don't own any of Gymshark's Camel Seamless, but I have seen it in person and it looks pretty spot on. Minus the Gymshark logo, you wouldn't even know. Like, I seen this other girl at the gym who had this on. I was like, oh, like, is that the Gymshark? I was at a point where I hadn't ordered from them yet. And she's like, oh, it's not from Gymshark. Like, I bought it from somewhere else, and like, it literally looked just like theirs. So, I mean, you can spend the $60 whatever on it, but if you want to save a little bit of coin, you can do these. They honestly look really, they literally look just like them. Like, you would have to look hard to see where the logo is. And to be quite honest, I don't really care about all of that stuff. I just want to get my workout on. You can do you. As far as me, I'm trying to get snatched while looking snatched. Okay? Okay, so all the stuff next is all Vital Seamless. These are all from, some of them are from different stores. Like, these two are from a different store, and then I got the matching parts of it like from another store. So yeah, and I don't know why, I don't remember why I did this. I don't remember, but I had a reason why I got this from somewhere else and this from somewhere else. At the time, it made sense in my head. I really don't remember what I was doing, but I'm gonna try them on together. But like I said, I'm gonna link them down. Sorry, I'm gonna link them down in the order that I'm wearing it. Ooh, this color looks good as hell on me, okay? Good as hell on me, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Honestly, I have some of the, matter of fact, hold on. These right here are my Gymshark leggings, right here, right? These are the black ones, the Vital Seamless. Honest to God, these right here literally feel just like them. Like, they wear just like them. It sits on the waist like it does. Like, literally, like, this literally is the same exact thing. Like, just a fraction of the price and minus this logo. Like, oh my goodness. Now, let's see if it's squat proof. Usually things that are, because this does feel very comfortable. If anyone has ever tried Gymshark's Vital Seamless, you know it feels so comfortable. But sometimes lighter colors can be a little bit more sheer because they don't got as much pigmentation as like the black does. So let's see if this is squat proof. So I think it's, for the most part, semi-squat proof. Like, I mean, I'm fine with it. It's not like all the way like squat proof. Like, I don't see anything, but granted, the underwear that I do have on is like, nothing's really there. But obviously, when it comes to your gym wear, like, if you know what you're gonna be doing in the gym, then you kind of know what you should wear to the gym. So on the days that you're gonna be doing like heavy lifting, like, you know, squats, all this stuff, you wanna wear something a little bit more squat proof, obviously, so no one sees anything. The day when you're gonna be doing like a little bit of a lighter workout, you can wear this, be cute, you know, do your little arms, your biceps, you know, do your little triceps. Oh, especially when you do the triceps, lift your hand up, it looks real good. Let me get a thumbnail because I look cute. Ooh. And of course, it comes with a little, the thumb thing comes with this. Okay, so this is the pink one and I love it just as well. This looks so pretty. Let me step back so you guys can see. It goes all the way down. I don't know if I said this, but I've said it in previous videos. I am 5'8" in case you're new. So I'm kind of tall, and these go all the way down, but I never have that issue with gym wear. Usually it stops at a good length for me. It's not too long. So if you are shorter, it might roll up, it might be a little long for you, so you might have to roll them up, or if you want to get them altered or whatever, you could do that. Same thing, they look very similar to the blue one as far as like quality. Feels just like the Gymshark ones. Love it. Let me see if it's squat proof. I'm not even squatting, I'm just like really bending over. Bend it over, Ed. Don't bend it over, okay? We are children of God, okay? But yeah, so these for the most part, they're pretty like decent. I don't see anything showing back there. But yet again, I have not watched the footage back to see what the light looks like. So yeah, like I said, large. Let's go ahead and try on. I'm excited to try on the purple one. And I thought I got me a matching sports bra, but as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see this well, but those are two different colors of purple. Like you see, this is a little bit more, darker or a little more cooler. This is a little more vibrant. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear them together. I might wear this sports bra with just like whatever. Oh, and this part is important. Okay, so I got these in a medium because yes, the large fit me, but I feel like they tend to have like ride down. So I was like, let me see if I was to go smaller, will it stay better? Cause, and not only does it ride down sometimes it can have that awkward, like just extra fabric in the crotch area that I don't really like. So I was like, let me see what it looks like to size down. And if this works, then from now on, if I was to ever order any more of like these Vital Seamless, whether it be from AliExpress or Gymshark, I would get the medium. So this one is in a medium, and I also got the black in the medium because I already have the Gymshark one in the large, and I didn't want to go and buy another one to test out and it possibly not work and pay all that money. So I was like, I'd rather take my L and buy the cheaper ones. If it doesn't work, well then I guess it just doesn't work. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I should have been ordering a medium from the jump. Dang, I'm so mad that I have all the other ones in larges. Like they still fit, like they're still okay, but like this sits so much better on me. Like it feels like, even, like y'all ignore this, but like I'm jumping, usually this would have started going down way quicker. Like it literally looks so much better, feels so much better, feels so much more snug. Yes, okay. So let me tell you guys this. If you want to order the Vital Seamless, whether it be from AliExpress, whether it be from Gymshark, I feel like these have enough stretch to go a size down. Like, I feel good. Like, I'm really mad that I had to get all of these in a medium. Now, the top is still a large. I would say the top, get your regular size because these are pretty compressive and they're kind of tight. So stick to your normal size, but the bottoms, they have stretch. Like, I could do all of this still. Let me turn around and see if it's squat proof. I don't see anything looking in my mirror. I don't see anything peeking through. Damn, I look good in this color. I look good, okay? It's okay to hype yourself up. It's okay to look in the mirror and be like, you know what? I look good, okay? You have to love yourself first. You have to sit up here and be your own hype man, okay? Because there's a bunch of haters in this world. So you need to be your own hype man and tell yourself, I look good. And I sure do. What's that Cardi B song? What's that thing? Walk past the mirror like, damn, I'm fine. I don't think that's the right tune, the right anything, whatever. Don't come for me in the comments, please. I'm ready to go to the gym and like be good, but not today because I'm finna go out to Bar Louie and have some nachos. Nachos. Okay, but after this weekend, God, like at this point, it's only in God's hand if I eat healthy because I've been trying. But for some reason, I just can't stick to it. To the black ones, which I love the way these purple fit. Oh, we in that thing. I'm about to go on there and order more stuff because this is so cheap. Like, okay, let me compare how they feel. Cause hold on, let me make sure these feel like the same thing. Okay, so these are my Gymshark and these feel a little softer, just a little bit. Like these, they're not like rough, but there's a smoothness that this one has. And I don't know if it's like Cause I've had this for like, y'all, what emoji is this, y'all? I'm so annoying. I'm so annoying. Okay, I've had this for like 2.5 months now, so I've washed it a couple of times. But let's see. Okay, you guys. So this is the top and bottom, and the bra I honestly could have gone down to even a small. They do come with pads. So the other one that I had on, the green one, had pads in it as well. Now the bottoms, yes, they fit nice, they sit up nice, but guys, they are like straight up see-through. Like, I just turned around, like, I'm not even gonna bend over, cause like, and I'm not, this is like, I'm looking in just a mirror without like this ring light, and they are like sheer. So I'm a little bummed because the purple ones were beautiful. Everything else is beautiful. The black one, really? But it's okay. Now I know that I can wear mediums, a size medium in the Vital Seamless. So I like Napoa Gym. I like ordering from them. I feel like they don't take nearly as long to ship. They are pretty good, and they're a little bit more well known on AliExpress when it comes to like gym wear, active wear. So I could probably order some more stuff from them and get the size medium. But yeah, you guys, I'm like disappointed. Like, man, I was so happy for these. Like, these are straight up like sheer. Like, I don't know, I might just make these like my work tights at this point, because I mean, I'm not going to the gym in this. Like, it's one thing to be like a little bit like, you know, when you bend over, like you can see something. Like, I'm just walking and I can see it. Like, I can literally see it as I'm just walking. Okay, guys, so this is the end of my AliExpress haul, gym wear edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it for you guys. I'm excited because I'm on my way to go buy a new camera. I'm super excited, and yeah. Also, in my last video, I did a giveaway, and hopefully she responds to me. It took me a little bit longer to actually reach out to the person, but anyways, the winner has been chosen. That giveaway is closed. So hopefully she responds to me. If not, then I'll have to pick another winner through the people who entered. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your support, for your love, for just everything, okay? You guys are a blessing to me, okay? You guys are a blessing to me, and I pray that my videos can be of help, of benefit to you guys. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Follow me on Instagram at AskWhitney. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.